If you want to grow a brand, promote products, or build an audience, creating a business account on TikTok is a great option. It gives you access to analytics, advertising tools, and more professional features. I end this video. I'll show you how to create a TikTok business account step by step. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, tap the three lines in the top corner to open the menu. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Now look for the option called Account and tap on it. Inside this section, select Switch to Business Account. TikTok will now ask you to choose a category that best describes your business, such as personal blog, education, beauty, or technology. Pick the one that fits your content. After that, your account will automatically be converted into a business account. Now that your account is set up, you can complete your profile by adding a profile picture or logo, writing a short bio, and including a link to your website or social media. One important thing to know is that business accounts get access to analytics, so you can track your video performance, audience insights, and growth. You'll also be able to use TikTok Ads Manager to promote your content and reach more people, and that's it. That's how you create a TikTok business account step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials.